Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood.
What is going on? What the fuck is that, Sterling?
Severe thunderstorm watch number 547 remains in effect until 9 p.m. and now includes the following counties. In Virginia, Clark, Frederick, Loudoun, Page, Shenandoah, and Warren, and the Virginia independent city of Winchester. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Calvert.
So, what the fuck, Sterling? Are you doing something wrong today or something? Because that's a lot of counties!